Recently I've been kind of obsessed with my looks and I have no idea what to do in order to become careless again. Do you have any tips that may help?
Well, I don't know, Alexa. I think that ever since that jerk from the fourth floor called you a fat rolling melon, you started to be and act very self-conscious about your appearance.
Yes, I don't know why, but I really felt bad with what he said. When he said that, even though I don't care about him and we're not friends at all, it just got to me.
I think that you should just ignore guys like Ted. At the end of the day, he is just a bum, while you're a great person who also has a great job, as opposed to him.
I think you're right, but hearing him say that I look more like an overweight whale is kind of harsh. I just didn't like it.
You know, many people are obsessed with their appearance due to the fact that they have no self-confidence, but most of all, because they have no friends or anyone to love them.
Sadly, that sounds like me.
Yes, I am very honest about this, even though you may not consider me a guy to be honest in everything I say. I was actually like you once, so I started being more outgoing.
It's true that I'm not really an outgoing person, but I'm actually quite shy.
You see? There's the problem, and I think that you can fix it.
I think so. I really appreciate your honesty and everything you do for me.
Well, that's what friends are for.